That's how I communicate to people. Let's go. OSHA. OCEA. Okay, let's go back to see on StockTwits what might be hot. And OSHA do you do, yes. ASTS only up 9%, but a lot of chatter around it. ASTS, let's see. OSHA and AHI, AHI, both above WAP and respecting pivots. First time in a long time for any intraday pre-market momos. Not enough volume on this ASTS, but yeah, it is pretty big. Daily movement, it's really not interesting enough. Check this out, RJ. So I go to Apple on the bottom left screen here. Blue bars. Pullback entry bars. I'm still coding this. Shit, that is just beautiful. Couple of false signals. I probably can smooth that out with some filtering. Yeah, this is like the ultimate pullback entry technique. Loving it. Yeah. A human can actually find these how to code like this one doesn't fire off stuff. Actually, this one would have been okay. You would have just got up, then you'd be back in the next. Okay, OSHA, come on. There we go. There's a little. I'm pretty much just wanting to monitor my swing trades this morning. I have a lot of positions right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 runners. Okay. Leftovers after having taken the 50% profits. 11 runners, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 swings. Gotta watch the fort, and all of them are small though, thank goodness, because of where we are in the market. But 11 and 14, that's 25 positions I got to monitor here at the market open. Well, pardon me while I tend to those, but keep your eye on OSHA. If you missed it, it has the potential to spike. Might go to 9, 12, or 20. Those are the kind of possibilities. Then it'll reverse and trap you. Quick to take profits on OSHA once it starts running, if it starts running. Could just bleed out and fade at the open. Who knows? We have 3 minutes and 45 seconds until the market opens. I am loving the idea of those pullback entries versus the breakout entries because of the risk reward associated. So it'll be an interesting technique to add to the tool belt. Koan, Koan, doing something. Let's see. No, not really. No. He BSFC. RNQ, possibly. Let's see. Shares have traded so far. Something's happening there. Doesn't. GRNQ. We'll keep it up. All right. 1 minute and 45 seconds till the market opens. See how OSHA, you guys, has stayed above VWAP, this blue line. And AHI, pretty much, it's kind of bouncing around at it now. Might fail. But then you look at GRNQ and it's no. Up and down all over the VWAP line. So that's not great. Cool. I made the right decision not to be in VSIG overnight. That was a very tempting one, I'll tell you that. But no, it did not close the way we would love it. But sometimes those, the next day they gap up, pulled back. So no entry. All right, market's opening any second here. 7 seconds. And Oshia being bought up right off the open. Okay, that'd be an entry right there, but it could fail out. All right, so I got to start checking through my holdings. All right, APLD entry. Stop 850, about $1 of risk, APLD. The moment. Second here. All right, back to monitoring options. Sound. SDA is holding well. Oh, there's warrants on Oshia as well. I just noticed that flying by. No, Oshia is failing out. Ahi is spiking. Apple's running nicely. And it looks like the market is pulling up. All right, BT. Good. Hut, probably the same. Hut looking good. Wolf. Good. Gapped up open. 8. ABSI. BLDR, builder. VRA. Not great. Cut that. He's halted up. Sweet. Halted up, guys. Who got in it? Imgol. Already looked at it. SDI already looked at it. Zero. In. Gary's in. Randy's in. Yeah, I'm going to cut sound. Shaking me up, but I just don't. Yeah. PHM on the daily. Well, that's fine. That's my worst runner. Hut, making more progress. Mara is up 7.5%. I might take 50% profits there on Mara. Sketchy movement, so I'll probably percent. It's a very small position. All right, I'll just leave it for the moment. SDA and UEC both up almost 13%. It's not really holding up. Let's take a look. And Mark, you're in AHI too? Okay, awesome. Kind of just staying there. And let's take a look at this AHI. Nice. It broke over pre-market highs. Oh, I think somebody's ringing my doorbell. I'll be right back. Utilities and financials dropping, healthcare dropping, staples dropping, industrials dropping, base materials dropping, energy holding. So is growth. Gosh, that's rotationary. That's bull. That's bullish. Strange. And rates going up a slight bit too. Strange. And Apple moving up. And that means maybe gold is moving up? No, it's a lot of strange correlations on the market. The VIX hit 13.5. This is a swing trading paradise, you guys. 13.5. I got to pull that up on the daily chart. About to, in the midst of Powell comments, we're about to make new levels of market security, unseen since pre-pandemic. So it's just the pandemic, since the pandemic, February, Valentine's Day, 2020. We're basically about to break that. Could head to 11 from there. Jesus, it was just a swing traders nirvana environment in that case. All right, I want to go through some of our hot stocks here. Up the most. See if we got any. 12% entry on INOD. 531% projected RVOL. Out of 500, it's only 10%. Yeah, that's kind of Plag. No, then why did it say APLD? This is the one I'm kind of good. APLD. It's done shares. Normally does 4 million. Again, that's kind of fake. So AHI halted up again. That's awesome. Been a long time since we've seen something with a good pre-market chart, and I put it there. You can look. You see it in the trading chat channel. It's no coincidence that it's doing well. I said we finally have a Momo, which is respecting pivots, making higher highs pre-market, and staying above WAP, and it was basically at 1x average volume. It's doing fantastic. Let's see. Some of my swing trades are doing very well. Let's take a look at this. HUT. Well, 16.6 projected 118.21, so it's projected to be 500% RVOL today on HUT 8 Mining Corporation. Who got into those Bitcoin related swings with me yesterday? All right, awesome. BTBT also doing good. Definitely inclined to just take the 50% on those and just let them run. Bit defensive here. But they just look so good right now. Maybe around 10 a.m. Right, Zora is also doing much better at the moment. PHM giving a bit back. Carnival Cruise Lines, we are now at 9% gains on that. Runner, we've already taken 50%. Yeah, Carnival, great. PHM. AUR. worse than PHM. SSYS. Zora doing fine. Everything's doing fine. Hot, very hot. So that's about 15, 20% gains or something, you guys? 229 divided by 1. From the open, that's 35% gains on AHI. Mark says he got AHI as well. Yeah, they're doing great. Okay, Mark, good. Awesome. How quickly did it halt up the second time? No, it took about 2 minutes. Okay. Then would be concerned that it's up. Watching your profits. And the fucking column is not sorting properly. Why you always got runner at this point? Synopsis, still in that one. We've been in that for a while. Both moving averages yesterday. I'm going to cut Synopsis. That's our first runner swing cut. Synopsis. No, not hut. I don't know. I'll go take a look at it in a second. That's Synopsis. Okay, I'll take a look at hut. Hut's still doing good. At any time you want, you can take 50% profits on those and just turn them into runners. That's what I'm going to do at any time for any discretionary reason. Doing as well as hot. Or it's taking a while to come up. Doing as well, so it tells me that it's probably good to take some profits on. Take those 50% profits. Really in defensive, but that's okay. Profits taken on hut. Moving that now to runner. 50% profits taken on hut. Now I can just let it run the moving averages. That's the whole point there. Same. He halted again. All right, good job. Hopefully you got a little bit of profit out. 256, outstanding. Catalyst day. AHI. VRPX, I think it says. VRPX. PCT. D-Pro. Ladder orders to the rescue. Yes, sir, Mark. Way to go. Plus 41% for RJ. Nice. That's going to go on our list. Nearly. It's not NRLY. What is that? NRILY. Okay. NRILY. NR. When does Ahi come out of the halt, RJ? Mara's up more now. I think it's hitting almost 10%. All right, yeah, we're slamming the highs on Mara. So I'm going to take my 50% on Mara now. And then I move that over to runners. That just is going to stay there for weeks probably. SDA doing well. Let's take a look at SDA. He should open at 851.5. Okay. Got about a minute and 40 seconds on the open on Ahi. SDA continuing to do well. It's at 26.50 now. We got in at 22. I could easily have gotten in earlier. I remember capital there when there, and that's just the way. Homo 5% 1 minute. Gree. What's up with Gree? Let's see. He continuing to make daily strides. I'll put it on our hot list. Eventually get in now. Okay, 45 seconds on Ahi. Advanced Health Intelligence. I'm guessing it's a AI-driven health company. I'm guessing that. I don't know if that's correct. Okay, but let's see how this opens up. We're opening up in 10 seconds on Ahi Tuna. In AI care. Goes and opening now. Okay, down initially, selling off 10% off of the highs, is halting down. 10 seconds to get out. Jay hitting market sell and just can't get out right now. No, he's saying no. Fuck. That's why you have to have a high frequency trading setup. You could have easily seen that before everyone else saw that and gotten out. RJ's pissed right now. He's like, fuck, he just pounded the desk. But anyway, no, he's doing good. He probably took all those laddered exits. And it's just par for the course. It happens. It happens. It's part of trading. Never necessarily get the top. I only have like a couple shares left. Yeah, good job, RJ. Way to go. All right. OSHA. It's broke VWAP. It's below VWAP. It's just not a good sign, but you can watch it all day. OSHA. Apple with an almost complete turnaround. And how's that affecting the market? Yeah, the market's making some new lows. A lot of what we are in is up, however, except for Apple. And how does Apple look on the daily? Fine. Bitcoin just hit 6-week high. Sweet. And we're in Hut and Mara. I still haven't taken profits on BTBT, but actually it looks pretty good. So I might take those profits and convert it to a runner now as well. Good to be a little bit defensive during this jobless claims, Jerome Powell week here. Jerome starts speaking in 7 minutes. So the market could really flip out. Profits on BTBT in there. I'd hold for more. But really don't mind being defensive. And I've got small positions as they are. Okay. Bitcoin names in runners now that we've taken 50% profits on. Oh yeah, I see Bitcoin's hitting about 30,000 right now on futures. Cressy is doing well. Nice. Percentage gains. Wolf with a good percentage gain, 7%. This must be related to Bitcoin too. It just looks very similar. A Bitcoin production. Okay, yeah, this is a Bitcoin miner as well. I think Bitcoin mining company. All right, I'm going to take 50% profits on Wolf as well and turn that into a runner. Although I had small positions, I had 4 positions in Bitcoin miners, and they were all quarter positions. So I basically had together with all those one full position. So awesome. Now I'm down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 swings and a bunch of runners. 1, 2, 3, 14 runners, 9 swings that I have to monitor. No, the swings have to be monitored much more closely. You have to be much more. Runners I've already taken my profits on big time. And, you know, should be moving along the moving average just fine. SoFi, still in that. Yesterday was a reversal entry, pullback entry signal. Today it's not following through on, but it hasn't broken that low. I'll probably sell all on SoFi if it breaks 820. So I'll just watch it for reentry opportunities. All right, the rest of the market is crapping out now, although now consumer staples are going up. So this is kind of what I was talking about earlier, that value stocks, that growth would be rotated into value for the next 2 days. ABC, not doing too good. Let's see. ABC, that's not the kind of follow through we're looking for on a guinea pig day. Take another look at 0. CVRA, okay, everything. Just Apple, pretty much my position in Bitcoin. Where are you at? 29,500. So that slid back a little bit. I might cut Apple today, just to get back in another day. All right, good. Well, it's top of the hour, and good luck trading the rest of the stuff. And let's go talk in the trading chat area. All right. You're very welcome, Carl. Check you guys in.